This is TeachSpark. One of the things it does really well is to create video-based lessons. So you can see here, I am finding the transcript. You need to add the transcript or a summary. In YouTube, there's typically an ask where you can just summarize the video. If you grab the summary, you just need to copy it, go back to the lesson or activity plan builder and TeachSpark. You add the summary, and then you also need to add the URL, the link for the video, and simply hit generate. Actually, you need to say what your class is, the grade level, the app type, the subject that you're teaching. I'm just going to select science here, but because this is a video that you could use in almost any class. It's just talking about buffaloes. It's a Ken Burns short video. And then the app type, you want to say video-based lesson. You can do any app type with a video, but this I want specifically to be a video-based lesson, so I'm just going to hit go. Okay, I paused. It takes 5 to 7 minutes for the generation engine, but here is what TeachSpark created. You can share it with a QR code, class code, or directly to Google Classroom, or just for testing purposes. What I do, you can also print a worksheet. What I do typically is just grab the student link. This is what a student would see. All they have to do is put in their name. They don't have to add any other information. It doesn't even really need to be their name. So this is what TeachSpark created. On the second page, you see the video right here, and the student could watch the video right inside of the TeachSpark. There's no time stamping. TeachSpark will do all the questions, multiple choice, and short answer for you.
There are these big, slightly strange looking, but magnificent animals. And they're ours, right? They're our animal.
If you see one out grazing, it looks so slow, it's like a parked car sitting there. But they can clear 6-foot fences. They can jump.
As you can see, the video plays right inside of the TeachSpark app. Now the student would go through after watching the video, and on the report dashboard, which I'm not going to go through on this, but the report dashboard will tell you how long a student was inside actually answering questions. But you can see the questions are based on the video. Again, no time stamping or anything needed with some other platforms, the way some other video platforms. There are rubrics for short answers right inside of the TeachSpark application. So this is just the activity that was built. But TeachSpark also, again, there's always an exit ticket. And then once you submit, obviously I didn't really answer anything, so the score is low. But once you submit the activity, it goes back to the dashboard. Once the student hits done, now that will go back to the dashboard. You can change the name of any activity just by clicking into the box. This activity looks like it has a decent name. When you come back, you can see that this activity is not showing on the home page yet. You just need to refresh the browser, and now that activity is there. You can view it. It's a video-based lesson. You can change the difficulty level with a learning path. You can generate a lesson plan. So you can create the activity, the video-based activity, create the lesson plan, and you have an entire day's activity based on that video. When you generate the lesson plan, it has the activity link embedded in the lesson plan. You can download it, you can copy it to your clipboard, you can add it to your Google Calendar, or you can simply save it to TeachSpark. TeachSpark has a library drop-down that has space for all the lesson plans, answer keys, or worksheets you've created. And here is the lesson plan on the Buffalo video. That is just one of the cool things that TeachSpark can do.